Hey, EasyAgentPro, today we're going to be going through creating a squeeze page. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with our squeeze app, it is our landing page creation tool. It's a great way to create great looking and high converting landing pages in just a matter of minutes. They have a lot of functionality and integration options, and they're heavily used by a lot of our power users in order to get leads to their sites. Now, ideally, they're to be paired with something such as a paid traffic source like Facebook ads, in which you have an incentive offer set up on your landing page, and then you send paid traffic to it, and you convert the traffic into leads with them filling out their information to receive that offer. In today's case, we're going to just be using like a basic ebook offer, in which you can go over here to the edu tab on your site in the dashboard, and we're going to go to just show more here, get into the help center here. We're going to type in ebook. Free customizable ebooks, and then you're going to get a list of different ebook offers. In this case, we're just going to go with buying your first home. I'm going to click on that here. It'll open up in a new tab. Now, here's going to be the ebook. Now you're going to see here that a lot of people, they try to make changes directly from this page. The problem is if you do it from here, it's going to change it for everybody. So you will need to download it to your computer first. You can just go to File, Download As. We'll just go to PDF. And then from there, you can just use a basic PDF editor, something to replace your logos and kind of customize the ebook as you see fit. So we're going to go back, now that we have that downloaded, we're going to go back to your site. We're going to go into Apps. We're going to go to your Squeeze app. For that to load. We're just going to go to Create New Squeeze. We're going to have all these different templates here. Now in this case, for ebook offers, and especially this one, we're just going to use this template in which you see buying your first home. And then from here, the editing process is very simple. You just replace with your city name here. Everything's pretty much click and edit. You can just change it out for your logo. You can click this edit pop-up here. If you want, you can choose to hide the phone number or hide some boxes here. If you don't want to require that, you can edit the color. So everything's heavily customizable. You can change out this image for whatever you want here. And then these right here, these are also going to be available on the pre-launch checklist, which we'll get to in a second, so no need to worry. You're going to click Done Editing. Here you're going to see 3 different options. In this case, we're just going to go with a download offer since we're just going to do an ebook download. So add a download. You see here, I already uploaded the ebook, but you can just go through, upload that file from your computer. It'll show up here, and then choose that as the download. So we're going to click Launch. Here is the pre-launch checklist. Now, each of these in their own are their own animal, and so we do have articles and videos for these different options. However, I'll briefly touch up on these here. So basically SEO settings, this is going to be whenever you paste a link or the URL into Facebook, you always see that there's usually the title, the text, and then a thumbnail image. Now that title and the text are these fields right here. So, download today for, or you could click, guide to buying your first home here for the title. Then you could use, download our ebook today to find out how to buy your first home under market value, whatever you want to put here. Use that there. So that's the SEO settings. Now the social share image is going to be the thumbnail image that pops up whenever you paste that link into Facebook. So you can set your image here, whether it is your company's logo or a screenshot of the ebook or whatever you want to use there. That's what social share image is. This is going to be, you can further configure this from the Texty app, but sending text messages so you can opt in to receive notifications whenever people opt into your landing page. You can also choose what message you want to send to people using the phone number that they included on the opt-in form. So whatever you want to send them, you would specify that here. And then tracking pixel. This is a bit more for our power users, but we do have some articles on this. Basically just gives you further information on exactly your ad performance, how it's doing on Facebook, and better tracking options here. Connect to Pass and CRM. This is, if you haven't already, check out our past articles and videos, basically connecting your CRM such as Follow Up Boss or Lion's Desk or anything of that sort, in which you can have campaigns, and you can configure this here to connect with your landing page. So that's probably the most difficult part of the whole process, is configuring these settings correctly and understanding exactly how they work. But once you have that done, we're going to go on to the final step and launch the ad. So we'll just go to guide. We'll just set it to guide to buying your first home. We'll just click save here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna go back to the main squeeze menu here. We're gonna view it, and this is what the people are going to see that actually see the ad. So to paste the ad, this will be the URL that you paste into Facebook, and this is going to then lead them to this page, in which they can download this. They put in their information, and then it will give them a download option, and then it will open up the ebook for them. So that's basically creating a ebook offer, squeeze page. Very basic, and it works great. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can always email us at support@easyagentpro.com, and best of luck to you.